Hello, gardening lovers. Welcome to Fafa Flower Studio. Today, let's talk about how to grow a beautiful plumbago. First, sunlight. For plumbago, full sun is best, but remember to avoid scorching heat in the middle of summer. Second, water and soil. You should water it daily in summer, and don't forget to add some perlite for better drainage. Finally, the pro tips. To keep it blowing, trim the weak branches and cut off the faded flowers in time. That's it. For more gardening tips and tools, visit Fafa Flower. See you next time.